What stood out for me during the programme was how much my confidence increased. It was about understanding myself and how I could make improvements, how I could make changes, and the only one stopping me progressing was me. Being able to understand that gave me the strength and the confidence to progress and engage thoroughly throughout the course. Before I joined the programme, I was struggling with what I wanted to do going forward, how I wanted to progress and where I saw myself moving forward. I had no idea what I wanted to do and how to get there. I suppose in some ways I got stale. I got used to doing the same things day after day. I needed something to change, but I didn't know how to change my outlook and improve myself. I came to this course with a very open mind. I didn't know what to expect, but as I worked through the course, it opened up my eyes and I was able to see how I could use it both professionally and personally. My confidence has changed greatly since doing the course. I understand myself a lot better, and by understanding yourself, by understanding what drives you, how you can visualise your goals, that will then help drive you forward. It was a very, very powerful tool for me. It made me sort of think and analyse myself, things that where I was falling short. It made me self-analyse, and in retrospect that was very powerful, both to see the positives and negatives and that I could make the changes. I started to visualise personal and professional goals differently, and I'm visualising how I'm going to get there, and every day I'm thinking about the same goals, the same beliefs, and that is driving me forward to focus on getting to where I want to get to. I didn't expect the course to give me the amount of self-reflection that it did. It helped me to analyse and understand myself more, and by understanding how you yourself work and think, you can then make those changes to ensure you capture your vision, you don't get bogged down by not realising your potential. It's given me the drive to actually progress and move forward. My direct boss, having done the course as well, we really understand where we're both coming from. I can explain how he's changed and how he's grown as a leader, which has then helped me develop and helped me grow. So I've seen how the course has both helped us progress forward. I would recommend the Power Within training because I enjoyed the experience that we had. The instructors were very supportive, very understanding, very engaging. It was a long course, but the sessions never felt long. They kept us engaged, kept us sort of working, and gave us a chance to answer questions and explore new avenues. If someone asked me if the programme was worthwhile, I'd say definitely. Biggest advice, come to it with an open mind. Don't have any preconceptions. Listen and understand the course, make it work for you. The lessons are there, you just have to listen and grow with the course. The biggest takeaway for me has been understanding myself, and for anyone, whether you're a leader, a member of a team, being able to understand yourself, what drives you, what pushes you forward, what will help you attain your goals. And if you're a leader, it then helps you understand and how to drive those within your teams. Very powerful, and for me, that's one of the biggest takeaways from the course.